What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing, guys? Let's get into the news. First story of the day is about the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and 10. Apple has come out and said that those three phones, the 8, 8 Plus, and 10, are better at performance management, meaning that they shouldn't have, or at least it shouldn't be as drastic, and it should be better at, just managing it than previous iPhones. So if you know in the past, Apple got in trouble recently for using management software to slow down iPhones so they don't perform as well, and it would make it so that your phone didn't automatically turn off. Well, it looks like they came out with a statement saying performance management may be less noticeable on the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and iPhone 10. Over time, the rechargeable batteries in all iPhone models will diminish in their capacity, and peak performance will eventually need to be replaced. Now, I guess that's the silver lining from all of this, is that if you have an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, or 10, it's going to automatically be better at performing, managing that battery life and performance, the give and take with it. And if you have something less, you kind of might be screwed, so you might want to upgrade. Is there any happy ending to this? Except I guess you can get a replaced battery for 29 bucks. And our last story of the day is about the Galaxy S10. It looks like the latest rumor coming out of Samsung is that they were going to replace the S line with the X line. That means that they're going to no longer call their S line the S line. They're going to call it X, meaning 10. So you're looking at Galaxy X. Now, that causes two issues. First of all, there's already iPhone X or iPhone 10, and that causes some brand identity issues between those two brands. The other one is you have Galaxy X, which is the rumored foldable phone. That's what that's supposed to be called. Who knows what's going to end up happening here, if they will end up getting rid of the S line name and calling it X or not. I'm kind of torn between it because the S line is so iconic. It's been around for almost a decade now, and you're looking at completely ditching that naming and going into something a little bit different. I know you still have the Galaxy line, but you're going to be calling it Galaxy X instead of Galaxy S10. I don't know. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question of the day is, what do you think if they do change the naming for the Galaxy S10 to the Galaxy X? Let me know in the comments down below if you like it or not. I'm kind of torn. I mean, I'm fine with it. I don't like it that they'd be copying Apple, but whatever. Everyone copies each other. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you down the road. Peace.